in many periods of history, at the beginning of 1990s, wars, deaths, tears, hunger, migrations, regrets were reigning in many zones of the world. In these times, people were needed for fondness, peace, brotherhood feelings. In 1918, Mustafa Kemal Pasha, who was the first leader of the Turkey, made known that Nakhchivan security belonged to Turkish Republic. The Aras River and wires have prevented meeting and lapping of these two brothers during 70-80 years. Economical and political crises had muffled up every side of the world and caused difference in many subjects between people. Anadolu people saw the solution of this crisis in education. To realize these education dreams, contacts had to be built up. The first material manifestations of these contacts was the Regret Bridge, which was established between Turkish and Azerbaijani governments. Meetings are organized with businessmen of Nakhchivan to liquidate their regret. As a result of these meetings, a bridge was built and named Bridge of Regret, and the regret have finished. The speech, which was made by Haydar Aliyev, who was the ex-president of the Azerbaijan, went down to the history. Anadolu people also helped Azerbaijanians in many subjects. Turkish businessmen made meetings in some topics. One of these topics also was about opening a school in Nakhchivan. Decision, which signed in education and the signature of Haydar Aliyev, will change the history of the world. The year was 1991. The first signature, which signature that will change the history in Nakhchivan, Azerbaijan, Asia, also in the world, was signed. This signature consisted of drops of ink which opening schools of love to the world. In 1991, first of seeds of love which are sowed in foreign will germinate by Nakhchivan Turkish High School. Volunteer teachers, which were grown up in Anadolu, represents love, tolerance, came to Nakhchivan to sprout these seeds. People were more interested in these schools by the years past. Due to the seeds of education, which sowed after the Regret Bridge builded, faces began to laugh in the other side of Aras and in the world. So peace, affection, brotherhood conditions, which people wished for years, arose. Now, if these schools have opened in lots of countries, it became known that this connected with the Bridge of Regret, and the Regret Bridge connects lots of countries with each other. The world's economical and social problem solution is up to these educational foundations like these schools.